Are you looking forward to download VibeShort app? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily download VibeShort app. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to the App Store on your device. Once you're inside the App Store, in the address bar simply search for VibeShort. You'll see different applications. You need to head over to this. Right over here you can see the option of Get. Click on it in order for it to install. Once again, click on Install and then enter the password of your Apple ID. Once entered, tap on Sign In. It will start to install the application on your device. All you gotta do is wait for the installation process to be completed. Once completed, you'll see the option where it says Open. In order for you to use the application, click on Open and use it. After that, you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can download VibeShort app on your device. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.